we're in Jalan Pulau Tikus. This is one of the well-known areas in the heart of Georgetown. And we're going to meet my good friend and well-known anthropologist in food, Pearly Kee. So she's going to show us some of the best street food. We're going to Si Wonghua coffee shop, and that's where she recommends the best place in this area.
This is one of my favorite places to come for breakfast in the morning. This is Granny Q. We are going to eat Penang laksa lemak. You have otak-otak?
Yes, we have.
Oh, can I have one?
Sure.
I want to order 3 bowls of curry laksa.
Curry.
This is kway teow, it's a pork broth. And we have here Hokkien mee and curry mee. Okay, this is wonton. We have char siu pork with wonton mee. It's very nice. So I'm going to order one bowl. Okay, we're going to order pork rice.
So Pearly, thank you for meeting us.
Oh, not at all. I get to eat too.
Exactly. So tell me, what do we have here?
Okay, now here our Penang curry mee with pig's blood. The broth is coconut cream.
Okay.
And this is our wonton noodle with char siu. And this is our Granny Q's curry laksa. And then this is our Cantonese chicken rice. But today we order pork. We have char siu and roasted
And then
pork.
this is a wonton mee, basically.
No,
yeah?
this is kway teow. You can try. And then with the pig's liver.
This looks more closer to like a Phuket or Thai
Hammock.
yeah, rather than an Indonesian otak-otak.
Yes. Okay. Wow. Wow.
Wow, this is really creamy and nice, yeah?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, very good.
Because everything is homemade. Even the laksa noodles in the old days, we do the grinding. So this is curry mee.
The curry mee, okay. Put this in.
Yeah, put it in. Yeah. Do you eat pig's blood?
I try to avoid it. Nice, very nice. Try the pork.
Okay, this is the char siu and the siu yolk.
So do they braise the pork first in this one, or they just roast the pork?
I wouldn't know.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. To be fair, there are so many methods of doing. Yeah.
Try this.
Try that otak. Yeah. I'm like a lot of people. Days I'm free, I go others towns to eat.
Really good.
Yeah, really good. Yeah. You must remember, this is a true blue Nyonya doing it. Yeah.
Listen, Pearly, thank you.
Thank you for coming to Pulau Tikus. There are so many things here to eat.
Coming here tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm so sad. Too much have changed. The older generation has passed on. Some are been left to the foreign workers to man. Very, very few are taken up by their next generation or siblings, But in all totality, I will still give a lot of support to those who are trying to get their children who have no skill to do it, but I'll still support them because I want the children to make sure that legacy lives on. But for the street food, there's such a big dip. In the old days, we all eat street food on the street or in a kopitiam. Today, the good ones have are brave enough to open a store like wonton mee or laksa. They have their own shop and it's only concentrated on selling wonton mee or selling laksa and things like that. So there have got to be a restaurant status in that way. Too much have changed. I still want to eat the old way. It's very sad. Things have got very, very expensive. Talk about my childhood. A bowl of laksa is only 10 cents. Then in my 30s, a bowl of laksa was 2 ringgit. When I'm 50 years old, the bowl of laksa was like 5 to 6 ringgit. 10 years ago, still you can get 5 to 6 ringgit. Today, at least 7 to 9 ringgit. Everything is going too expensive today. I don't know what's going to happen. Sometimes it's very difficult for me to come out and eat the street food. I eat it because I'm hungry. If I'm not hungry, I will make and get my friends over and we'll wall up until we are happy. Yeah.
Reflecting what Pearly said sums up the truth we all feel but rarely admit.
Street food isn't dying, it's changing. Maybe there's a fire still there, but it's burning differently now. The next generation has the freedom to choose, not the duty to inherit. It makes me wonder, as the world gets more expensive, ingredients get pricier, and some of that old school grit gets replaced by convenience. Will we still recognize the food we once knew? I guess time will tell.